Ever wondered how to make authentic Indian nihari with bone marrow at home? Nihari is a slow-cooked meat stew, traditionally crafted with beef or lamb and a unique spice blend. This dish, popular across several Indian regions, boasts a rich, hearty flavor. Well, today you're in for a treat as we unravel the secrets of this Indian delicacy. Before we start, ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. The key players in this culinary symphony are bone marrow and your choice of beef or lamb. Then come the spices, the heart of any Indian dish. We'll need turmeric, coriander, cumin, and the star of the show, our special Nihari spice blend. Our supporting cast includes onions, ginger, and garlic. And let's not forget the ghee or oil to bring it all together in a harmonious melody of flavors. Once you've gathered all these ingredients, we're ready to start cooking. Now let's dive into the cooking process. First off, heat up a generous amount of oil or ghee in a large pot. Toss in your finely chopped onions, ginger, and garlic. Sauté these ingredients until they turn a beautiful golden color. Once that's done, it's time to introduce the star of the show, the meat and bone marrow. Add these to the pot and let them sear, browning them on all sides. Now comes the magical part, the spices. Sprinkle in a colorful array of spices. Think turmeric, coriander, and garam masala. Stir everything together and let the flavors mingle and marry. Next, pour in a good amount of water. Let the mixture simmer away gently. This is a slow process, taking several hours, but patience is key here. You're waiting for the meat to become tender, and for the flavors to become deeply intertwined. And there you have it, your homemade Indian nihari. It's that simple to bring a piece of India into your kitchen. We've walked through making nihari, a delightful blend of spices and bone marrow. Personalize the recipe, let your culinary creativity shine. So why wait? Step into your kitchen and start cooking your very own Indian nihari today.